Okay, so yes, to undo the nut there, the plastic nut for the water supply, you're going to either want a crescent wrench, a large one, or a channel locks, medium to large channel locks to undo that nut. So these are the tools that you're going to need, not very many, and of course a towel for starting this. First things first, now that we know the tools that we need, let's go ahead and turn off the water. So, depending on your toilet, you're going to have one of these. I recommend that you have like a paper towel around the bottom or a towel. A lot of these, when you turn them off, they tend to leak. So we're just going to go ahead and turn it off. Whoops, righty-tighty. Okay, so we snug that down. And yes, it's leaking, stop leaking. Okay, usually just does that a little bit. We'll just make sure it's all the way tight. No, don't over tighten it, because then you could cause some damage. Especially with these ones, I think they got like a nylon internal organs there. So you turn off the water, then you want to go ahead and flush the toilet. So we want all the water out of the tank. So, put this off. Yeah, we want to get all the water out of the tank if we can. So, it's flushing. Try and use all we can. Get in there, water. Okay, so I'm not sure why this water in here isn't flushing out. At any rate, I think we can take a plunger and plunge that water that's in there out of there. So what I'm trying to do here, plunge the water. So just taking a plunger, you want to get all the water out of your toilet as much as you can. So I think that'll make the water drain somewhat. Get out of there, water. We don't want you anymore. So yeah, it's making it go down a little bit. Okay, so getting down to less and less water here. You can see that there's only a little bit in the bowl there now. Okay. Well, I don't know if we're going to be able to get much more than that out of there. So then, so we have that. So go ahead and plunge as much water as you can out of there. And we got this water in the tank here. So we're gonna have to take your sponge or your towel. I wish I had a towel, I need a sponge. Since I don't, gonna have to go ahead and go with, gonna have to go with a towel. So we're just gonna get the water out of here as much as we can. You can remove these pieces as well. I think it just actually unscrews like to the opposite or whatever. So you can, let's see here, get these pieces out of the way. So just unscrew that. Oops. Just so you have extra room. Unhook the piece from here. All these, I think all these parts will come within your toilet. Don't throw them away just yet, just in case it didn't though. Okay, feed this off of here, pull this through, set that aside somewhere. Alright. Let's see, so then just take your towel. Sponge works way better, but you can take your towel, put it in there, get some water out. Probably, yeah, I wish I had a sponge right now. Oh, take it over to the bathtub, draining it out in the bathtub. So you don't really need to watch me do that. Basically, I'm just going to transfer the water out of here with a sponge or a towel, and since I have a towel, that's what I'm using, and transferring it to another location. You could probably even put it into the bowl and then plunge out the bowl, but I've already done that, so I'm just going to go ahead and sponge it out. So we'll be back once I get that all done.